Hi everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video we are looking at the GCSE English Language predicted paper for 2025 and giving you our predictions of how you can ace your English GCSEs. Now, question 1 will always ask you to list 4 things you understand about X. It could be about a character or the setting. So that's question number 1. Very simple, it's from specific lines. Question 2 will always be, how does the writer use language to describe X, right? So you are analyzing language and looking at the effect. Question 3 is the structure question. Now, as you can see, for the actual exam for this upcoming Friday, right, you need to know how to approach this question and what to look out for, right? Now, when we go through the extract, there are certain things that the writer may decide to use in terms of structure. So just to give you an insight, okay, of some predicted devices and techniques that you will find within your paper, they could include the following, right? So for paragraph 1, the beginning of the text, you can look at how the writer may decide to use in media res, foreshadowing, foreboding, zooming in, zooming out. Now, if you want access to the model answers, the grade 9 hacks, the step-by-step templates, the cheat sheets, the top tips, the past papers and the mark schemes, and the predicted paper plans you can use to ace your English language GCSEs, click the link in our TikTok bio or visit our website www.easyeducationlondon.com/shop. It is currently on sale on our website for just $19.99. So hurry, because the sale does end very soon, and it's helped hundreds and hundreds of students boost their marks and simplify their review. So don't delay and order today by visiting our website. Remember, the sale does end soon, and this will be an amazing way to revise and simplify your revision for English. And it literally takes 30 seconds for you to place your order. So as soon as you've placed your order, you'll get access to it straight away. It will be sent to your email. Please do check your spam and junk folder, and you'll get access to all of the relevant documents, and you can use this to prepare and cheat your way to top marks in your GCSEs. As you can see, right, these are common structural features that you may find within your extract. So keep your eyes peeled. For paper 1, how the writer may use foreshadowing, foreboding, zooming in, zooming out in media res. Towards paragraph 2, what are you expected to comment on for paragraph 2? Now, you need to identify how the writer has used structure towards the middle of the text. And remember to use the word shift in focus. How does the writer shift the focus from the beginning to the middle? For example, and also make sure you are using relevant subject terminology or you are cooked. Think about how the writer uses dialogue, how the writer uses analepsis, how the writer uses prolepsis, right? And paragraph 3, towards the end of the extract, how does the writer use structure towards the end of the extract? So think about, what does the writer do in terms of the ending? How do they use structural features to interest the reader? So do they use the cyclical structure? Do they use juxtaposition? If so, how does that interest the reader? Now, the good news is this question will be the exact same in your GCSEs for paper 1, so literally be copied and pasted. So that's your question 3. The next question, which is question 4, and by the way, if you want full access to the exact predicted paper plans, the grade 9 cheat sheets, the hacks, the step-by-step templates, you need to grab our ebook today. It covers everything you need for paper 1 and paper 2, so hurry, the sale does end very soon. It's helped hundreds and hundreds of students achieve fantastic results, many students jumping 2, 3, 4 GCSE grades in their exam. So if you want to be in that same position for paper 1 and paper 2, you don't want to miss out, hurry and grab your ebook today. Now, question 4 is the evaluation question, as we know. For question 4, evaluation is what you are being assessed on, AO4, and it's worth 20 marks. So what does the word evaluate mean? Evaluate means to give your own judgment, right? And when you are giving your judgment, you need to support your judgment with evidence from the text. Now, how does the writer use different types of methods, right? Language and structure. You need to support your evaluation with the different ways the writer uses language and also structure. And also, please ensure you are providing critical evaluation. So you may want to weigh the pros and the cons, or you may give reasons to why some people may agree or why you agree. Yes, there could be some students who disagree or some people who disagree, but that could be a certain part, right, that they disagree with. But what you can do is you can actually counter the counter, right? So what this means is when you give the counter argument, you suggest alternatively, or on the other hand, some students may disagree as ... This is because ... By the way, if you want the exact step-by-step template and the cheat sheets and the predicted paper plans, it's already on our website. You can grab your ebook today. It's currently on sale for just $19.99. Now, once you raise the counter argument, you have to counter that. This is what we mean by counter the counter. So give the reasons to why some people may disagree, but counter that by saying why you believe that point of view is invalid. And that will help you show critical evaluation. So it is 20 marks. You are looking to spend around 20 to 25 minutes. It is a mini essay for this question. So do not, you cannot afford to skip this question. Because it's worth a quarter of your marks, okay, for language paper 1. Think of it as if it's a mini essay, right? So that's your question 4. And the last and final question is your question 5, the narrative writing, the descriptive writing task. So if you are wondering what the question is going to be, how can I prepare? Now, in simple terms, the story or the description that you are going to write, you need to ensure that you have a story or a description which uses a range of language devices, a story or a description which uses ambitious vocabulary, a range of punctuation, a range of sentence types, and importantly, think about using show not tell as well. Your writing must be evocative, it must be intriguing, it must be compelling as well. And in terms of your timings, you are looking to spend around 45 minutes. The first 5 minutes you spend planning, the next 35 minutes you spend writing, and the last 5 minutes you spend checking over your work. And also, please remember that your plan is important. So what I would recommend to those of us choosing the narrative, you should plan using Freytag's pyramid, right? So Freytag's pyramid is a simple and easy way for you to plan. And to those of us wondering what is the Freytag's pyramid and how can I use this, it's a simple story structure when writing a narrative. And I've always recommended this. Keep your storyline, keep your story simple. Don't overcomplicate things, because what happens is that a lot of the times students, they overcomplicate things. And when you overcomplicate things, you end up being confused as well. So that is your question 5. Now, to those of you who did attend our live masterclass, we have already gone over our predictions in our live masterclass. To those of you who missed our paper 1 masterclass, not to worry, we are running a paper 2 GCSE English language live masterclass where we are going to go through a 2025 predicted paper together during our live Zoom event. So if you'd like to purchase tickets, please do visit our website, www.easyeducationlondon.com/events. Once you get to the event section, you'll be able to purchase your tickets there. The original price is $59.99, but since I'm feeling happy today and positive, I'm happy to offer a 50% discount for those of you who want to purchase your tickets. If you use the discount code May50, I repeat, May50, that's MAY50 at checkout, you can get 50% off your tickets for the live masterclass. So what are you waiting for? Grab your tickets today and boost your grades, and let us help make your education easy. And to those of us who did purchase a ticket, thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you in our amazing masterclass, and importantly, best of luck to everyone sitting English language GCSE paper 1 and paper 2. Thank you all for the support across this academic year. It's been absolutely amazing. To those of us on YouTube, if you haven't, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also, if you haven't followed us on TikTok and Instagram, Really appreciate your follow on Instagram and TikTok as well. So thank you so much, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Take care and peace. And remember, the website description details all can be found on our website and all in the description section below. Thank you.